What is going on, YouTube? Slick is back again. So today, weight update. I weighed in at like 203.7, which I'm not upset about. I could see the extra weight hanging on my stomach, which is kind of funny because when I was 198, I was pretty thin, but I could see like the extra pounds. And today I'm extremely fatigued. Like I had a super busy day at work. I was working on this big project, and then after work, I immediately went to the gym. I did back and biceps today. I had a good workout. And again, I didn't want to do my cardio. I wasn't feeling it, but I got my keister up on the elliptical trainer and did 40 minutes. When it hit 20 minutes, I was like, dude, I have to do another 20 minutes of this. But I got it done. I'll put the stats up just so y'all know I'm not BSing about this stuff. I actually do the cardio. 5-6 more days of 40-minute cardio sessions on the elliptical, but I'm gonna get at it. And yeah, I'm literally running on empty. Like I laid in bed after the gym. I laid in bed for 5 minutes. I'm like, I got a meal prep for tomorrow because I'm going in the office. I gotta fold my laundry. I gotta put out a video, and I have to study, and I have to do all that in like 2 hours. So I'm gonna get it done because the grind I do now is gonna pay off in the future. And if I just went to bed, maybe this video I'm putting out right now never got made, never got the views, never did that. So you gotta keep grinding, you gotta keep focusing on yourself. Always remember why you're doing something, and I'm doing everything I am for my long-term goals. So today's video, I wanted to talk about how I avoid junk food pretty much. So the biggest tip I can give about avoiding eating junk food is just don't buy it. I know it's easier said than done. I get it. The thing is, I get these cravings when I go to the store. I look around, I see muffins, Coca-Cola with sugar, bread, subs, cookies, chips. Don't even get me started. It all sounds good, but at the end of the day, I know I can't keep that in my house because I will eat that. If I buy a whole bag of chips, half of it's getting done, and then I got the other half of the bag just sitting there waiting for me to tempt me to eat it again. That's why I try not to keep junk food in my house. I really don't. I literally go to the store, I get the same things every time. It's a boring lifestyle, but fuck, I'm happy. I remind myself I can't eat the Hostess cupcakes and things like that. Because if I buy a pack of 12, I'm eating all 12. It's like my landlord, she gave me a box of chocolates for Happy New Year's, and I had that. I was in my freezer, and I was like, dude, I know this is gonna tempt me to eat it. And guess what? I ate all. I tossed away 2 because I realized I can't have these. But I ate like 10, 12 chocolates. It wasn't the worst thing, but when one went down, 10 more went down. But it was some good chocolate, I'll give you that, and thanks for the gift. Just can't keep that stuff in the house, and I know it's tough. A little tip is try to eat before you go to the grocery store. So I always try to eat because I don't know what it does mentally, but it kind of reduces the urge to buy junk food because you're already full, so you're not really like, oh, I'm hungry, I want that bagel with cream cheese or the strawberry shortcake. You're already full, so it kind of helps alleviate the urges to buy junk food, but at the end of the day, it's all on you, all in your head. You have to overcome that barrier of, you have to start saying, I'm not going to buy that. Keep these cupcakes around, I'm going to eat them. And 12 times 400 calories, what was that, 4,800 calories extra in that box? Jeez, I hope my math's right on that one. But, but yeah, that's the number one tip is just don't buy it and keep it in your house. You can go out to, restaurant once or twice, a little cheat meal here and there. That's not bad at all. It helps on it helps reduce the urges because you're getting it all out at once. So if I have a crazy meal at the restaurant, 2,500 calories, it's not coming home with me. I'm eating it there and I'm getting right back to the grind, right back to where I started. That's today's video. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, leave me a comment. What's the hardest thing about you and junk food? Toss a like on the video if you liked it. I got a ton of stuff to do, so I gotta go. But thanks for checking out the video. Keep grinding, keep doing it. You got it.